Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character jiān. Step by step, I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's write. Jiān. Between. Among. Or room. For example, 期间. Jiān, period of time. Now check this sentence. I do this only during holidays. I do this only during holidays.这些我只在假期期间做。这些我只在假期期间做。这些我只在假期 holidays 期间做。I do this only during holidays. 这些我只在假期期间做。My casual handwriting on jiān. Jiān, between, among, room. 期间, period of time. I do this only during holidays. 这些我只在假期期间做。jiān. Okay, please comment any words or sentences with the character jiān. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.